This is a video of a Honda EU2000. This generator is being used in a mobile concession stand here at a football field here. So this will kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like as they're using it. So as you can see, it's mostly idling. They have lights. So you can kind of hear it coming up a little bit as they put a load on it. So I'm going to back away from it and see if you can hear it on the other side.
Oh, the cotton gun.
So I'm over on this side, away from it, and kind of get an idea if you can hear it or not. I can hear it, but it's not very loud at all. So I'm gonna walk back towards it. Or actually, I'll walk around the other direction there. So this is going around the back of the fence towards this EU2000 generator. They're using some kind of pump. So anyway, that's basically what it sounds like from a distance.